Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you a laptop cooler. So let's start.
Help me help
So guys, this is the cooler pad from Black Cat. The model is BC6. You can find pad dimension, fan dimension, weight, input voltage, input current and fan speed. Fan speed is 800 rpm. You can find dual fan here. So let's unbox it. You can see the cooler pad and also you can find a USB mail port. So let's open the cooler. This cooler is so beautiful. You can find dual fan setup here. It is also LED fan. There is a Black Cat logo. The back part, in the side part of this cooler, and you can find two USB type 3.0, a power button and a indicator, and this is the side panel, and you can see the back, and this is the front. Let's power on this cooler pad. Let's input the power and press on. You can see blue light is turned on.
I can't wait to leave this town, cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh, like my life inside a car, hit the button, drive real far, put that record on me like. Oh,
if you guys like my video, then like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.